Anna Wintour's house. Anna Wintour, a true icon in the fashion industry, has carved out an impressive legacy for herself. Her name is synonymous with fashion, and it's safe to say that she's a household name in the fashion world. Despite her hectic jet-setting lifestyle between New York, Paris, London, and beyond, she has a serene retreat that she calls home in the Hamptons. Let's take a peek into Anna Wintour's charming Hamptons residence. Long Island is well known for its charming collection of upscale residences, frequently showcased in our beloved design websites and magazines. And when it comes to Anna Wintour's home, it's no different. Just as you'd anticipate from a fashion icon, her dwelling radiates sophistication, creativity, and flair, infused with a touch of uniqueness that only she can effortlessly carry off. Wintour owns a townhouse in Greenwich Village. However, her absolute favorite retreat is her ever-expanding estate located in Long Island. Nestled in the picturesque town of Mastic along the serene Forge River, this estate can be accessed via private gravel road in Old Mastic and stretches across 42 acres of beautiful land, leading all the way down to the water's edge at Lawns Creek. Back in 1998, after spending previous summers in Bellport, Wintour made a deliberate choice in favor of space over exclusivity, opting for a property in the blue-collar town of Mastic. Her decision proved rewarding as she acquired an elegant estate dating back to 1820, boasting the timeless colonial clapboard style that has become synonymous with the Hamptons. Over the years, this estate has expanded to include adjacent properties, such as an 1834 farmhouse described by Wintour as having loads of additions and 12 cozy bedrooms, as well as a 9-acre waterfront house initially listed at $799,000, but eventually purchased by Wintour for $350,000. The interiors of this lovely place were beautifully designed by Carrier & Company, a talented husband and wife duo known for their knack for using soothing, neutral color palettes and creating stylish, fresh looks. This charming 4-bedroom colonial-style home is nestled within a secure gated estate. The expansive 5.9-acre property boasts a stunning landscape artfully crafted by none other than the renowned landscape designer and longtime friend of Anna, Miranda Brooks. Step outside and you'll find equally charming rustic interiors that seamlessly blend with the lush, relaxed gardens that surround the estate. The incredible landscape designer, Miranda Brooks, was responsible for crafting these garden gems, complete with expansive lawns, cozy garden rooms, and meticulously manicured topiaries. The estate is steeped in Anna's love of Swedish and French country home style. Fun fact: at a wedding hosted at the estate in 2014, fashion icon André Leon Talley revealed that Anna Wintour owns a set of garden furniture designed by none other than Manolo Blahnik. The estate has served as the beautiful setting for both of Wintour's children's weddings, one in 2014 and the other in 2018. Additionally, it becomes the hub of joyous annual celebrations that take place between Memorial Day and Labor Day, welcoming Wintour's cherished family and friends. If you follow her children on Instagram, you'll occasionally catch glimpses of this lovely place, revealing that the interiors have retained their timeless charm over the past 2 decades since they were first adorned. Throughout her long years running Vogue US, we have come to know Anna Wintour as a woman of high and expensive taste. This seeps through to her taste for interior decoration, as her abode is decorated with calm neutrals, stripes, florals and chintz, checks, ruffles, and canopy beds, all blended with seagrass, wicker, and worn wood. A charming wooden farm gate welcomes you to a rustic driveway crafted from a mixture of earth, sand, and pebbles. This scenic route meanders its way through a picturesque grove of wild cherry trees within a lush meadow of tall grasses, ultimately leading to a cozy gravel courtyard enclosed by gently weathered brick walls adorned with rambling vines sporting delicate pink blossoms. The sole indicator of your arrival is an aged wooden door seamlessly integrated into the wall. Despite residing in a tranquil rural setting, Anna Wintour's home showcases an exquisite display of elegance amidst this serene community. design inspiration. The inside and outside of the house beautifully blend organization with a touch of adaptability. The architectural design of the home is carefully thought out, from the placement and angles of the windows to the layout of the rooms and furniture. Yet, the home's aesthetic is equally impressive, offering plenty of opportunities for creative experimentation with colors, decorations, and other personal touches. Inside, the design theme revolves around elements like stripes, florals, and chintz, adorned with riffles, soothing neutrals, charming checks, and inviting canopy beds. You'll also find delightful accents of seagrass, weathered wood, and wicker, adding a warm and inviting touch to the overall ambience. Interior. Anna's passion for chic and timeless styles shines through in her home decor. The textured, soft grayish-white walls create an ideal canvas for her large circular mirrors and impressive framed artworks. Complementing these are her carefully chosen wooden and antique furniture pieces, such as a coffee table with a steel base and a wooden top, bedside tables, and cabinets, which infuse the interior with a blend of sophistication and rustic charm. To complete the elegant ambience, Anna has adorned the space with rugs, linens, and curtains in subdued earth tones. As a lover of the written word, Anna also has a dedicated space for her huge collection of books and magazines. The primary bedroom is graced with expansive windows, offering abundant natural light. It boasts its own cozy sitting area, a petite bookshelf, bedside lamps, a welcoming fireplace, and a striking piece of art. Much like the master bedroom, the other rooms are furnished with floral linens and bedside tables in muted earthy hues. Anna's fondness for natural light is evident throughout the entire house, including the kitchen and dining area, where ample windows flood the spaces with sunshine. Her dining table, capable of accommodating 10 people, takes center stage, accentuated by a captivating chandelier suspended above it. Exterior. The outdoor space is just as delightful as the interior. Designed by the renowned landscape premier Anna Brooks, it showcases a thoughtfully curated natural oasis that exudes understated charm. Upon arrival at the estate, you'll pass through a simple wooden farm gate and continue along a rustic driveway composed of pebbles, sand, and dirt. Along the way, you'll be greeted by tall grass and cherry trees, leading to a quaint gravel courtyard adorned with delicate pink flowering ramblers. Anna's residence boasts an expansive garden that strikes a perfect balance between spontaneity and order. Here, you'll find potted pine trees, sprawling roses, patches of cow parsley, well-groomed boxwood plants, and meticulously trimmed hedges. The garden gracefully unfolds towards the waterfront, and at its heart, there's a serene pool. Anna Wintour's Long Island home undeniably reflects her core values of elegance, style, and understated luxury. It's no wonder that her residence has been a fixture in lifestyle, architecture, and design magazines ever since she acquired it a decade ago. Thank you for watching my channel. I can't wait to continue creating content that entertains, educates, and inspires you. Bye.